Alright, I'm gonna do a quick video, or maybe not that quick. I've been playing with DraftSight, learning how to use it to do knife profiles so that I can send to the water jet, and to do other features and things that would take me a really long time to do by hand. Water jet will be able to do. It's been pretty exciting for me. So what I'm going to do on this video, I'm going to take this. This is the BK12 with a sculpted handle on it that I made yesterday. And what I'm going to do is show how I take the finished knife. Let's see here, we'll do this. Start clear from the beginning. I'm going to take the finished knife that shows the blade bevel on it, the bolster area on it, the pin attach holes, as it look like it would look as a completed knife. Then what I'm going to do is turn it into a water jet file with a skeletonized handle. Alright, so what I'm going to do is drag a box around the knife, and that selects everything in the box. I'm going to copy everything in the box, and I'm going to just paste it down here. Bang. So that I can work on it. Alright, I don't want the water jet to cut this line, because that'll cut that chunk right off, so I'll delete that line. I don't want that line on there. Delete that one. I don't want this line on there. Alright, and I will zoom in a little bit with the track mouse, and you can push down on the mouse button or on the track wheel button, and that will grip it. Let's see, I don't want the water jet to cut here. Okay, I don't want the water jet to cut here. Get rid of that. Alright, let's look at that. So now what we have is a profile that the water jet can cut. It'll cut all the way around the outside. It'll cut those holes inside. And now what I want to do is skeletonize the handle for weight. Improve on the weight. Okay. So I'm going to start out with a line right here. About that much. Hit escape. And then, let's see, I'm going to make me an arc. Come over here and select that. I'm going to hit E-snap just to make it easy for me. And then it jumps right on the end of that line. And I come down here to about the midpoint. And then pull that around. Actually, I'm going to stop on this one. I'm going to stop that right there. I want to get that far down in the corner. On this one, I'm going to do the same thing. E-snap is still on. Got the arc. Go to the end point. I'm going to come right about there. And then we'll go on up like that. Hit escape to exit that function. There we go. Now what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to take the arc again, and I want to start right at the edge of that circle, right up about that high. I'm going to come out to the middle of that circle, just eyeballing here, freehanding, and come back around right about there. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that, left click, grab this center button and flip it over. Right there. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it over here so I can use it later, so I don't have to keep reinventing these things. Alright, let's put this one back where it came from. Okay. And we'll hit escape to clear up everything. I'm going to bring this one back over. I changed the size a little bit when I was grabbing it. Oops. Let me exit. Escape, I mean. Alright, I got to grab it over here on the line, I guess. Alright, I'll adjust the shape here in a bit. There we go. I'm going to bring this in some. Let me turn this E-snap off. E-snap is handy, but it also doesn't work for freestyling. I'm going to bring that in about there. Escape, see how it looks. I'm happy with that. Alright, now what I want to do is take another arc. I'm going to put the E-snap back on. I'm going to snaps onto the end of there. I'm going to come in here, follow this contour of the profile up a little ways, and then I'm going to go up and snap onto the bottom of that. I'm going to get the arc again. Got from that one. I'm going to come out here a little ways, about midpoint in what I think, and then I'm going to bang down to that. Alright, it's looking pretty good so far. Now we'll make a long, let's make one that goes out this way a bit. Follow along the handle. And I'm gonna stop right about there. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is come here and doctor this up a little bit. I don't quite like it that much, the way it looks that sharp. So we select both these lines and then you can edit them. So I'm going to bring that more like this as well. I'm going to edit down here, so I select that line. Oops, there we go. Oh, that one wants to fight. Let me turn that snap off. Alright. I'll do more like that. I'm okay with that one. That looks okay. Actually, I'm going to change this a little bit more. Bring it in up there. And this one here is going to bring it out a bit there. Open that one up a bit. Alright, hit escape, see how that looks. Okay, that's looking good. Oops, I'm still kind of clumsy with this. Alright, I'm going to use the arc again. I'm going to turn the E-snap function back on. Jump on there. I'm going to go up towards the top of the handle, and we're going to run down the handle a little ways. Let's see. I want that to be thicker, so I'm going to change. I'm going to delete that. Oh, I couldn't. Let's see. Alright, E-snap there. Go up this way. Actually, I'm going to stop right about here and put one bar in. Let's I'm going to do an arc here. Down to there. I'm going to do another one over here. Just from there. Down to there. Alright, got another arc. I'm using the arc and the E-snap pretty much is all I'm doing. I'm gonna put one, select about a midpoint there. Bring that down like that. Use another arc. Clip on there, click right about here. And I think I'm gonna go right there. Okay. Now I'm gonna use the arc again. I'm gonna actually come over here and start. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and start right here. Come down to here, midpoint on the circle roughly, and then finish down there. All right, now let's doctor this a little bit. I'm gonna leave that like that. I like that. Okay, select the arc again. I'm gonna come over here to the other side of this rear pinhole. Select a point there, select a midpoint, and select an end point. Use the arc again. I'm gonna snap on the end of there like that. Oops. Select a midpoint. Back over here and select the end point. Okay, I'm using the arc yet again. Start there. I'm going to come up right about here. Nose like that. Use the arc once more. Click onto there. I come down around about the bottom of that circle. Make this corner. Come in like that. Alright, so now I've skeletonized the handle of this. And what's going to happen is the water jet will come in, it'll cut the holes, it'll cut all this skeletonized material out, so this area will be cut out, 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 and it will leave material for the holes. This will have a stiffener piece going across there, and this will have a piece going across there for strength, one more piece right there. And so we can lighten the handle on the water jet. Let me get rid of this. I'm not real happy with the way that looks. So I'm going to soften this up a bit. I had something else in mind when I started there, I think, and I just didn't look the way I wanted it to. So I'm going to soften that up. Let's hit escape. Take a quick look. I'll drag it over. And so there's, I can send that to the water jet now, and it will cut it out just like that. I don't have to go and drill a bunch of holes in anything to lighten it up. It's already skeletonized. Then I can put the scales on there. I'm really excited about this DraftSight program that I've been learning on. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I am absolutely not an expert on DraftSight, but you can see what I am doing. And if this is interesting to you, I can at least tell you how I do it. And you can start from there and maybe learn better ways to do it. Thanks again for watching. Take care.